You don't need to be an author to make money with ebooks. You just need your everyday knowledge and the right AI tool. With EbookWriter AI, you can turn what you already know into professional income-generating ebooks in minutes. Here's how. Start with something simple, maybe a topic you talk about often or something you've learned through experience. EbookWriter AI takes that idea instantly, turns it into a complete ebook with structured chapters, natural writing, and polished formatting. No writing, no editing, and no design headaches. The AI does everything for you, even the cover design. Once it's done, you can publish your ebook on Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or your own store, and start earning from your knowledge. So if you're ready to turn your knowledge into profit, click the link in the description and start creating with EbookWriter AI today.